Hello. So I got a Yamaha NS-SW050 subwoofer to accompany my Yamaha and a Polk audio setup. Surprisingly, there is zero unboxing available on YouTube for this particular model, SW050. That's the base model of Yamaha subwoofer. So this is going to be first one. Let's get started. In the meantime, I ordered it from Amazon and it got delivered in a record 2 days, I believe. This weighs like 8.5 kg, and the box looks intact. That's the warranty card. So this is going to give company to my existing Yamaha AVR, the Polk S30 center channel and S55 stars. This is where I'm gonna put the subwoofer in. Alright, let's come back to the unboxing of it. Looks sealed enough, but the packaging is not very confidence inspiring. So let's hope that, oh boy, how do I open it up? Oh, it is this way, okay. Okay, like I mentioned, packing is not confidence inspiring. Thankfully there is a warranty card, so I'll be okay with that. See, this is broken already. Should have been like this, but this is broken, which means, I don't know what it means. Maybe it was used previously. I hope not. That's the instruction manual. And then I'm going to do the heavy lifting now. That's very easy. There you go. There it is. All right. God bless. Pretty standard stuff. There you go. Let me take these two off and let me lift it. This off. Stop. So that's how the Yamaha subwoofer looks. There's no port this side, however there is a port the other side, and this is what they call the flare port. Apparently it helps with the bass. We'll get to know. So at the back it's a pretty standard stuff. So let's go through it. It does not mention the frequency response. The frequency response is from 28 to 150 or 200. Well, it's not too big, it's not too small, so should be fine. Let me go ahead and get this one set up here, and then I'll come back. Oh, in the meantime, I have these Amazon Basics subwoofer cable also, which I had ordered separately. Apparently there's no cable that comes with it, so let me set it up and then I'll come back. I was just unboxing the subwoofer cable from Amazon Basics, and I noticed how soft this cable is. I mean, these are way softer than the Bainbridge cable that I used to plug in the speakers with. So I thought I'll just record how soft this cable is. This is, I think, 1.5 meters or 2 meters. I purposefully bought a little extra. I'm not going to use more than 2 feet or 3 feet. So I'm gonna keep it tied up like this and connect both the speakers, connect the AVR and the speakers. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know how short this cable is. Really impressed. So I just got the installation done and downloaded a YouTube royalty-free music to test the subwoofer. I'm just playing a tape deck from there using my phone over the internet, and right now things that are active are left and right channel. So things active right now are left and right channel along with subwoofer, and I'm pretty disappointed with the subwoofer. Let me take it closer. The performance is pretty disappointing. Let me try and play another YouTube track and we'll get to know. Not sure how much of you can catch it on the camera mic, but the bass is utterly bad. I mean, my car subwoofer, it gives me better bass than this one. I'm definitely going to return this one. My 6.5 inch subwoofer, which is built into Poke S55, gives me much better bass than this dedicated 8-inch subwoofer from Yamaha. Utterly disappointed. I'm gonna go through some settings again to see if I'm doing it all right, and if things are all right from my end, I'm definitely gonna return this total piece of shit. Sorry for that language, subwoofer. Alright, so that was all about the test. I think the test is successful. The results are total failure. So like I mentioned, I'm gonna go through some settings again, and if the settings are satisfying to me, I'm definitely returning this subwoofer. So thank you, and let's hope I end up getting some better subwoofer. Thank you. So this is the face of a disappointed Yamaha 050 user. I went through the settings again. Front speakers are set as small, subwoofer is set to use, crossover setting is set at 80 Hz. So settings were alright, there wasn't any difference in the settings. There's nothing that was wrong, and subwoofer is just plain bad. I'm pretty disappointed from this one. I wasn't really expecting a great bass from an entry level subwoofer, but I wasn't expecting such a crappy bass also. You would have seen the audio that I played previously. No, I'm just returning it. So I've already set the request for returning. It's going to be returned tomorrow. I believe I'll have to go ahead and get some nice subwoofer. The challenge is that some of the nicest subwoofers cost almost 4 times or 5 times of the price of this. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is going bad. So thank you for seeing the unboxing and setup. And let's see when I get another subwoofer. Thank you.